Been more than 2 years after a jury found Adam Montgomery guilty on all charges. The state Supreme Court here in New Hampshire has overturned the most serious charge of second-degree murder. Now, Montgomery stood trial back in 2024 on several charges, and prosecutors argued he killed his 5-year-old daughter, Harmony Montgomery, in 2019. Evidence and testimony recounted how Montgomery repeatedly punched the girl in the head because she was having accidents in the vehicle that they were all living in. Montgomery was also found guilty for dismembering her body, keeping her remains in a garbage bag at various locations until he dumped her body in Massachusetts. Now, she has not been found. Now, the state Supreme Court here in New Hampshire says the second-degree murder charge should have been tried separately from an assault charge, and that evidence from the previous assault had a risk of influencing the jury on the murder charge. So now the state Supreme Court essentially affirming all of the other charges he was found guilty on, except for second-degree murder. They have now overturned that conviction. Live in Manchester, New Hampshire, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.
All right, Sarah, thank you. There are obviously many questions surrounding the latest court decision.
So joining us now is our legal analyst, Jim Barretto. Judge, thanks for the time. We appreciate it.
Good to see you, Katie. Good to see you, Ben, as well.
All right, so Judge, first off, explain this decision, because to a lot of us, it doesn't really make sense. Why would the Supreme Court say he should have had separate trials for the murder charge versus the assault charge?
Yeah, particularly where this was one of the most extraordinarily heartbreaking and, frankly, enraging cases we've heard in a long time. But as Sarah touched upon moments ago, this defendant was charged both with second-degree assault and second-degree murder, as well as other charges after Harmony disappeared. Prior to trial, the defendant objected to combining the assault case, which was based on entirely separate pre-death evidence, with the murder case. The prosecution argued that the assault evidence was relevant to show the defendant's extreme indifference to Harmony's life. The defense, on the other hand, argued that, look, combining the two cases in a single trial jeopardized his right to a fair trial because jurors would likely conclude that, hey, if he abused her before, he therefore probably killed her later.
So, Judge, okay, this reversal is due to a procedural flaw. And now what happens?
Well, that's an excellent question. It was not reversed on sufficiency of the evidence grounds. What that means, if it had been reversed on sufficiency grounds, double jeopardy would likely bar a retrial. However, as you pointed out, this was not reversed on sufficiency grounds. And in my view, although I have the decision, it's right here, it doesn't explicitly say it, I interpret this decision as remanding it to the trial court for additional proceedings, meaning he can be tried again, but only for the second-degree murder charge.
All right, so Harmony's body never found. Did this play any factor in this?
It actually, Ben, I think played a huge factor because the evidence of the second-degree assault was extremely strong, where the evidence on the murder, which was, as you point out, a no-body circumstantial only case, was extremely weak. So the odds that the jurors did fill in the gaps using the assault evidence to supply perhaps missing gaps in the murder evidence was high. And the New Hampshire Supreme Court agreed that the risk of prejudice was so high that they had no choice but to reverse the conviction.
All right, Judge Jim Barretto, we appreciate your time and expertise. Thank you.